ground, imagine that. He twirls his scarf, waves to the sky as silver clouds go drifting by. Let's call our friends, he shouts with glee. Come play in puddles just like me. Rabbit peeks from her warm snug bed, ties two bows on her floppy ears instead. She hops outside with a cheerful cheer. The rainy day fun is finally here. Drip, drip, drop on the forest floor. More little animals rush out the door. Fox with a drum and a bouncy beak taps his paws and shakes his feet. Kitten giggles, chasing the tail, spinning in circles down the muddy trail. She meows a tune to the falling rain and leaps in puddles again and again. Duck with a hat comes waddling by, flapping her wings under the sky. She quacks to the rhythm loud and clear. Let's sing together, let's all cheer. Squirrel slides down a slippery tree, laughing and squeaking wild with glee. He brings a stick and starts to tap, making music with a rat-a-tap-tap. Then comes Hedgehog with a tiny bell, ringing softly, casting a spell. He hums a tune so slow and low, the beat of raindrops soft and slow. Turtle joins with a tambourine, wearing a raincoat fresh and green. Though he walks with gentle pace, he sways with rhythm full of grace. Panda waves his big bamboo, leading the march through drops of dew. All the animals fall in line, marching and singing right on time. They sing a song for the rainy weather, splashing and laughing all together. No need to hide, no need to stay. Let's turn the rain into a holiday. They stomp and spin on the forest ground, creating joy with every sound. A rainy dance, a swirling cheer that makes the gloomy skies feel clear. Soon the flowers start to sway, happy to join the animals' play. Even the trees begin to bend, as if the branches want to send a thank you for the joy and glee, for filling the forest with harmony, for proving rain is not so bad, but something sweet to make us glad. The clouds may frown, the skies be gray, but friends bring sunshine to your day. So if you hear the raindrops play, join the rainy day parade, hooray!